Hi, my name is Jennifer.
Hi, my name is Alex.
Welcome to our home.
The theme of our house is a modern Nordic.
Mixture of wood and what's that?
Marble grain.
Marble grain, yeah.
In the time of COVID, he managed to meet the timeline for everything and deliver everything on time. We are very lucky to have him as our ID and keep us updated on the progress. He will come down and look at how the workers do the work and everything. He will check for the defects. He's a very responsible person. On top of that, when we are selecting the theme and the design and everything, he gives us a lot of professional knowledge and ideas. So basically he helped us with to pull up together our warm cozy home. When my aircon installer came to do the piping and everything, he actually personally came down to look and see that they are doing it correctly to make things look good. I think that is a value added service that he provides. Yeah, I will recommend
Definitely will.
to my friends and family.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.